Hello everyone, my name is Satyankita Singh and this is my first mini project I have made using HTML. So, today I'm going to explain the HTML code for the web page called Chocolate Chip Cookies Recipe. So, let's go step by step and see what each tag does in simple language. So, I'll start with body. Everything inside the body tag is what we actually see on the web page like heading, text, image and lists. Next we have this H1 tag. This is the main heading of page. Classic chocolate chip cookies as you can see is written inside H1 tag. This is the main heading of the page. It usually the biggest and the most important heading on the web page. Under this we have img tag. This is used to display an image. Here it shows a picture of delicious chocolate chip cookies. As you can see, uh, this image is added using this img tag. It has a few important parts called attributes. So here we have src attribute. This gives the image URL or file path. And the next we have this alt. This gives alternate text that describe the image if it don't doesn't load. Suppose due to some technical issue this image doesn't load, so this name will be appeared so that the viewer will get to know that what that image was actually about. Next we had this width and height. To set the size of the image I use this. Next we have this p tag. This tag is used to write a paragraph for text. Here it describes the cookies as soft and chewy. Inside it, we also see a strong tag uh, to make the text bold or to show importance. And we also have this em, makes the text italic, often used to highlight or stress word. As you can see here that when I used a strong tag for two and one fourth cup. So here I use strong tag. So this part, which is inside this strong tag, has become bold, and I used em for I. The em is also used here, as you can see. So em makes this font italic. Next we have this H2 tag. This is the smaller heading than H1. It is used to start new section like ingredients and instructions. So if you can see the difference between H1, this is written in the H1 tag and this one is written in H2 tag. So the difference in font size can be clearly seen. So this is the difference of H1 and H2. Next we have this UL. This stands for unordered list. The ingredients are written using a list. UL means unordered list, a list with bullet points. Each item in the list inside LI tag, which stands for list item. For example, uh, 1 teaspoon baking soda is written inside these lists. So if you can see that unordered list means the list appears in the form of bullet points. And the next we have OL. This OL stands for ordered list. This creates a numbered list. So when I used OL, you can see here that it appears in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, etc. And here it appeared in the form of bullet points. Uh, Here also we can see that strong tag and EM inside some. So next we have this H3 tag. So this is an even smaller heading used for sections, or you can say for subheadings. It gives extra advice about baking cookies. So let me show you what's the difference in these headings. So this pro tips is written in H3 tag. So you can see it is much smaller than these two tags. This H1 and H2. Next again we have this P tag strong EM, as I already told about this. Now here is closing tag of body and HTML, and that's how the chocolate chip cookies recipe HTML page works. Now you know the meaning of each tag, uh, from heading to the image, list, and tips, and how they all work together to make a beautiful recipe of web recipe web page. So thank you.